Welcome to Mind Flip, the channel that flips your perspective and challenges your thinking. Today, we're diving into a fascinating question that has intrigued humans for centuries. What if we could communicate with animals? Buckle up, because we're about to embark on a wild ride through the animal kingdom. If you're ready to explore this mind-bending concept, hit that like button and let's get started. The dream of interspecies communication. Imagine waking up one day with the ability to chat with your pet dog, have a heart-to-heart with a wise old elephant, or engage in witty banter with a sarcastic cat. The prospect of communicating with animals has been a staple of human imagination for millennia, appearing in myths, legends, and popular culture. From Dr. Dolittle to Disney princesses, the idea of bridging the language barrier between humans and animals has captivated our collective consciousness. The current state of animal communication. While we haven't quite reached the level of having full-blown conversations with our furry, feathered, or scaly friends, scientists have made significant strides in understanding animal communication. Many species use complex systems of vocalizations, body language, and even chemical signals to convey information to their peers. Some animals, like dolphins and primates, have demonstrated the ability to learn and use human-designed communication systems, albeit in a limited capacity. The potential benefits of talking to animals. If we could truly communicate with animals, the implications would be staggering. For starters, we could finally settle age-old debates like whether dogs are really man's best friend or if cats are secretly plotting world domination. On a more serious note, interspecies communication could revolutionize fields such as veterinary medicine, wildlife conservation, and animal behavior studies. Imagine being able to ask a sick animal exactly where it hurts or understanding the needs of endangered species directly from the source. Ethical considerations and responsibilities. With great power comes great responsibility, and the ability to talk to animals would certainly come with its fair share of ethical dilemmas. Would we be obligated to become vegetarians if cows could plead for their lives? How would we handle the potentially traumatic revelations about the treatment of animals in various industries? And let's not forget the possibility of some animals demanding voting rights or running for office. Imagine a world where a charismatic dolphin becomes the president of the United States. The impact on our relationship with nature. Communicating with animals could fundamentally change our relationship with the natural world. We might gain a deeper appreciation for the intricate web of life on our planet and develop a stronger sense of empathy for other species. This newfound understanding could lead to more sustainable practices and a greater commitment to preserving biodiversity. However, it might also shatter some of our romantic notions about nature, as we discover that not all animals are as noble or wise as we sometimes imagine them to be. Practical applications in various fields. The ability to communicate with animals would have far-reaching implications across multiple disciplines. In agriculture, we could work directly with livestock to optimize their living conditions and improve productivity. Law enforcement could employ animals as reliable witnesses to crimes. And in the realm of scientific research, we could gather invaluable data on animal cognition, emotions, and social structures directly from the subjects themselves. Challenges and limitations. Of course, the road to animal communication would be fraught with challenges. Even if we develop the technology to translate animal sounds or thoughts into human language, there would likely be significant cultural and conceptual barriers to overcome. Many animals may not have the cognitive capacity to engage in abstract thinking or complex communication, while others might have entirely different ways of perceiving and interacting with the world that are difficult for humans to comprehend. The potential for misunderstandings and conflicts. As anyone who's ever had a conversation with another human knows, communication isn't always smooth sailing. Now imagine trying to navigate the nuances of interspecies dialogue. We might discover that what we perceive as a friendly pat on the head is actually quite annoying to dogs, or that cats have been trying to tell us for years that they prefer to be left alone while they plot world domination. I mean, while they nap. Learning from animal wisdom. On the flip side, communicating with animals could open up a treasure trove of wisdom and knowledge. We might learn valuable lessons about resilience from creatures that have survived in harsh environments for millions of years, or gain insights into alternative social structures and problem-solving techniques. Perhaps the secret to world peace lies in the diplomatic skills of bonobos, or the key to sustainable living can be found in the efficient practices of ant colonies. The entertainment factor. Let's not forget the sheer entertainment value of being able to talk to animals. Comedy clubs might see a surge in cross-species stand-up acts, with parrots delivering witty one-liners and hyenas sharing their best laughs. Wildlife documentaries would take on a whole new dimension, with animals providing colorful commentary on their daily lives. And just imagine the potential for reality TV shows featuring drama-filled animal households. The future of human-animal interactions. As we continue to make advancements in technology and our understanding of animal cognition, the dream of communicating with animals may become increasingly tangible. While we may never achieve the level of fluency portrayed in fiction, even small improvements in our ability to understand and interact with other species could have profound effects on our world. In conclusion, the ability to communicate with animals remains a captivating concept that sparks our imagination and challenges our understanding of consciousness and intelligence. While we may not be having deep philosophical discussions with dolphins or debating politics with parrots anytime soon, the pursuit of better interspecies communication continues to drive scientific research and fuel our fascination with the animal kingdom. Thank you for joining us on this wild adventure through the world of animal communication. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on more mind-flipping content. And remember, the next time you look into your pet's eyes, who knows? They might just be trying to tell you something important. Until next time, this is Mindflip signing off.